Now go to your browser, that's Google Chrome. So I'm going to do this tutorial using a website called getintopc.com. There are many websites that offer free software, but I'm going to use this to do the tutorial. So let's go. So that's it. Getintopc.com. So, and I'm going to use, these are the software categories. So I'm going to use an antivirus software for the tutorial. So these are the softwares. These are softwares. So let's see if we can choose one. Okay, let's select this. These are the details of the software. So the size is 5.8 MB. So let's scroll down to download. So to download this, you have to click on this icon. Software has started downloading, so let's check it on the download list. So this is the software. So let's wait for it to load. The software on that website will generate a password, and the password is 123. So let's go. So this is the application. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the software and I've installed it already. So let's check it out. So this is it, and this is how to download software on internet, free software, using getintopc.com.